go.
Oh, it's really bright. Hold on.
Oh, look at the kitty! Oh, look at the cat! Get the cat, get the cat.
Get her.
That's a cat.
What's up, James?
Hey, what's
nice
good?
tat, dude.
Garfield Cadets, you know?
That is beautiful, man.
Yeah, man.
Good choice. It is hot. It is bright.
Hot day.
You know what? It's spring, and that means it's drum corps season.
Oh, yeah.
Am I right? Get some
Wait,
spring training go.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
Spring training.
Spring training season.
Spring.
Yeah, it's spring. 3, 2. Look at that beautiful luggage. All in there.
Tetris level things are happening. Oh, look at that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Cadets Vlogs. How you guys doing? Oh my God, it's spring training.
Oh, yeah.
We're about to go on tour. We are about to go on tour.
It's kind of crazy.
It is actually really crazy. And I know that we have so much to bring this season.
Oh, yeah.
And I just can't wait to spend it with these awesome people.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
We're gonna do
James
it.
is here from Boston. He's riding with us to Johnstown.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You ready for that?
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's only a 1 hour drive rather than.
Today starts our epic
8-hour
adventure,
drive.
dude.
Dude, that's crazy. Dude,
90
we're about
days.
to have like 90 days of just straight up partying.
And band.
Mostly band.
Well, what's the
Party
difference
band.
though?
Yeah, exactly.
Band is party.
Yeah.
Cool, dude.
Here we go, guys. Off to Johnstown. Let's do this
grow.
thing. Yeah.
I've been waiting, wanting sway in my brain. Oh, late, hoping, hiding, hating how I can wait. Hallelujah.
Guys, we're here. James.
Arrived.
James.
Yo.
We out here.
We out here. We out here.
Hey.
Wow.
I feel like we're gonna get used to this place.
It's really cozy.
It's cozy, isn't it? Hey, Dad.
Hey, Zach.
You gonna miss me?
Yes, I'm gonna miss you. You know I'm gonna miss you.
That's a good answer. Hey.
Hey.
What's going on?
Hey, what's good?
Yo,
It's Sal.
hey.
What's up, man?
Yo, I got these Nerf darts, but I forgot where I left my Nerf gun.
Oh.
Is my Nerf gun in your thing? Maybe not yours.
You're not allowed to cut your hair.
Can you?
Jesse!
Can you? Hi. Hi,
Can you give me a tour of your room?
This is my crib, all right?
Hey,
so,
you might want to watch out for the ground.
yeah,
Like,
so I slipped and fell in mud. That's a different story. This is my bed. Trevor is
Trevor.
on my bed. This is my bed. This is my dartboard.
Ooh.
Safe to eat darts.
This is spring training.
Safe to eat.
Yep. Nerf darts. And tour supplies. Snacks are located here and underneath the bed. And that's my room.
Wow. Eric, how about a tour of our room?
Welcome to 217.
What's this room?
That is the bathroom. That's where we go to the bathroom.
I'm so sorry, Jake.
Continue on.
This is Zach's bed. This is his extremely large backpack.
Thank you.
We got this nice imported desk. I'm taking this on the bus with me. We got two actually. Zach and I got matching ones at the Home Depot. Got my bus box. Got a suction john for Josh. This is James's bed. There's not really much in here yet.
Where's the dartboard?
Sunday mass.
Alright, so tonight you're going to hear from a bunch of different people on a bunch of different things. Scott Litzenberg, if you haven't met him yet, will be up to talk.
So there's a lot to be said about the legacy and what he's done over the years. There's also the legacy of what's been going on behind the scenes and what just came out about 6 weeks ago. And that's just the reality of what's happened. And I want to tell you guys pretty bluntly that I am not wasting one moment of my breath and any part of my thinking or energy from tonight forward worrying about what's happened before today. He's not worth it. And you are. People are going to want to bring it up. People are going to want to ask you when you get to places. They want to talk to you about it. And what do you think about this? Don't waste your breath on that. Waste your breath and your energy on saying, this is going to be the best cadets that we have put out there, and we're going to make this year a memorable one. And if I was
One, 2, 3. It's gone.
Oh my
Here, babe. Keep it in your binder.
This is my hair. They just cut this off of me.
You should make like voodoo dolls out of it.
Oh my god. I can clone myself.
Are you satisfied?
Yeah, it's actually cool.
Wow! Hey!
I think it's a good line for it.
She's icy.
Nice work.
You gotta-
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm here with James and Eric. We're just kind of chilling. We're about to go to bed for our first night. We had the pleasure of talking to our new director, Scott Litzenberg. He's a vet from a good while ago, and honestly, if I can spare all the little details, he gave one of the best speeches. He gave one of the best introductions I think anyone ever could have, especially for cadets.
Better than any hop talk.
Better than any hop talk by a long shot. The most important thing to me was when we talked to him, it kind of felt like he was human. I know if you saw a lot in the first season of the vlogs, Hop was kind of like an entity almost, and I did kind of intend for that to be like that. At that point, nothing had happened, but now it's at this point where I was editing the vlogs just last week. But talking to Scott for the first time was completely different. He's a human running this Corps. And if you don't know about the whole reason I started the vlogs, it's to humanize the cadets. And I think we're closer to that. You know, I think we're closer to us being something really, really great. Also, Drew talked a lot about how we are not standing for a mediocre show just because of the events that happen.
Definitely. Yeah.
We
No way.
are kicking it hardcore, no matter what. And this season is going to be absolutely incredible because of that. I'm so excited to get it started, especially with these guys, especially with the pick guys, especially with all the new staff, especially with everything. Anything you guys want to say?
It's the first day. I'm so pumped. Let's get it.
No, well, we got to sleep first.
No.
Don't get too pumped.
No.
All right, well,
sleep.
we're going to go to sleep.
Go sleep. Cadets don't sleep.
So, yeah, we'll see you then.
He's going to have fun.
How about some awkward The Office camera angles? You found your Nerf gun, huh?
They scream.
Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah, they.
Let it go the distance.